If you want to learn how to use ElevenLabs on CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step from creating your voiceover in ElevenLabs all the way to importing it into CapCut and syncing it with your video. This is a super useful workflow if you want your videos to sound more professional, save time recording your own voice, or simply create clean voiceovers for tutorials, shorts, reels, and other content. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, you'll need to sign in to your ElevenLabs account. Once you're logged in, look for the text-to-speech section. This is where you can turn written text into a realistic voiceover. Now go ahead and enter or paste the script you want to use. If you already wrote your narration in advance, this is the perfect place to drop it in. You want to make sure your script is cleaned up and ready before generating, because the final voiceover will follow exactly what you type. Next, choose the voice you want to use. ElevenLabs gives you different voice options, so take a moment to listen and select one that fits the style of your video. If you want something more natural, more energetic, more calm, or more professional, you can usually find a voice that matches your content. After that, adjust the voice settings if needed. Depending on your project, you may want to tweak things like stability, similarity, style, or clarity so the delivery sounds just right. This step is important because small adjustments can make a big difference in how polished your final audio feels. Once everything looks good, click Generate to create the voiceover. ElevenLabs will process your text and turn it into speech. After that, listen to the result carefully. If it sounds good, click Download to save the generated audio as an MP3 file. This MP3 file is what you'll use inside CapCut, so make sure you save it somewhere easy to find on your computer or device. Now open CapCut. You can create a brand new project or open an existing one, depending on what you're working on. If you're building a video from scratch, start a fresh project so you can import your visuals and audio in the right order. Once your project is open, go to the Media tab and click Import. This lets you upload the ElevenLabs audio file you just downloaded. Find the MP3 on your device, select it, and bring it into your project. After the audio is imported, drag it onto the timeline and line it up with your video. This is where the magic starts to happen. You want the voiceover to match the visuals as closely as possible, so pay attention to where the narration begins and ends. If your video already has clips in place, make sure the audio starts at the correct point so everything feels natural and smooth. From here, you can fine-tune the audio to match your content even better. Trim any extra silence at the beginning or end if needed. You can also split the audio if you want to separate sections or make adjustments in specific parts of the narration. If the voiceover is too loud or too soft compared to your video, adjust the volume until it sounds balanced. And if you want a more professional finish, add fade in or fade out effects so the audio transitions feel smoother. This is also the stage where you can really synchronize the voiceover with your visuals. If your clips change quickly, make sure the narration supports each moment on screen. If you're showing step-by-step instructions, try to keep the voiceover aligned with each action so viewers can follow along easily. The better your timing, the more polished and engaging your final video will feel. Take your time here and preview the project a few times. This helps you catch any awkward pauses, audio mismatches, or sections that need a little more editing. Small refinements can make your video feel much more professional, especially if you're using ElevenLabs for narration and CapCut for editing. When you're completely satisfied with how everything looks and sounds, click Export to save your finished video. Choose your export settings, make sure the quality is set the way you want it, and then render the final file. And that's it. You've successfully used ElevenLabs on CapCut to create and edit a voiceover for your video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.